Hi children, welcome back. Unit 3 in second class English textbook, and the title of the lesson is A Visit to Uncle's House, Part 2, Reading and Textual Exercises.
Children, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Cart, tree, houses, Sidhu, father, bullock. Can you guess where is the boy going? Yes, Sidhu is going to his uncle's house. Sidhu is excited. He is going to his uncle's house with his father. They are going to the bus stand in the cart. Now look at this picture. Sidhu and his father sitting. They are in the bus. Whoosh! Suddenly, the tire bursts. The bus stops. Sidhu is sad. Observe this picture. All the passengers get down from the bus. Now, what will Sidhu do? Can you guess? Sidhu and his father are going towards to jeep. Sidhu said, "How shall we go to Hyderabad, Nana?" Sidhu's father said, "Wait and see." Sidhu is impatient. They see a jeep coming. It stops in front of them. Sidhu and his father get into it. But it does not start. Sidhu and his father get down. Sidhu is upset. They see a bus coming. It stops in front of them. They get into it. It moves. Sidhu is relieved. Soon, Sidhu sees tall buildings, busy shops, many buses and autos. Sidhu is nervous. Sidhu asked his father, "Is this Hyderabad, Nana?" Father said, "Yes, Sidhu." Soon the bus stops. Passengers start getting out of the bus. Sidhu asked his father, "Nana, how far is my uncle's house?" Father told him, "Not very far." They walk a few steps to reach his uncle's house. Uncle and aunt greet them and take them inside. There are puppies in a corner. Sidhu runs to them and starts playing with them. Sidhu is very happy now. Okay, children, I hope you understood the reading part. Now let's we do. Okay, children, let's do textbook exercises. Fill in each blank with the right answer from the bracket. Sidhu and his father reached the bus stand in a cart. an auto, a cart. The passengers were getting into the bus or van. Bus. Sidhu was to play with the puppies. Happy, sad, happy. Very good, children. Vocabulary. Sidhu and his father are standing on the road. They see many vehicles on the road. Let's help them to know the vehicles' names. A car, a bus, a jeep, an auto, a lorry, a bicycle, a scooter. Very good. Let's name the vehicles which Sidhu travelled by to reach his uncle's house. At first, Sidhu travelled in a cart. Next, in a jeep, in a bus, now look at these vehicles in the picture and write the names of the places where you generally see them. In this picture, we can see a boat, bus, car, jeep, aeroplane. Boat travels on water. Bus travels on the road. Car travels on road. Jeep travels on road. Aeroplane travels in the sky. Very good, children. Sing, dance and add lines. Children, observe this picture. What are the vehicles do you see in this picture? Good. Bus, train, car, bicycle. Sidhu is riding bicycle. He wants to sing a song. Let's help him. What is the size of bus? Is it small or big? Big. What is the shape of the wheel? It is round. Very good. How the train? It is long. How it sounds? Chuk, chuk, chuk. Now let's see the car. How the car? Small. How it sounds? Peep, peep, peep. Now observe this cycle. How it sounds? The bell sounds tring, tring, tring. Let's sing. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round the wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round all day long. The engine on the train goes chuk chuk chuk, chuk chuk chuk. The engine on the train. The engine on the train goes chuk chuk chuk, chuk chuk chuk, all day long. Now add lines. The horn on the car goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep. The horn on the car. The horn on the car goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, all day long. The bell on the bicycle goes tring tring tring, tring tring tring. The bell on the bicycle. The bell on the bicycle goes tring tring tring, tring tring tring, all day long. Very good, children.
Thank you for watching video.